This is a comparison of two reverb pedals. We have the Eventide Space and the Strymon Big Sky. And I'm playing on a Fender Stratocaster, the Eric Johnson model. And I'm playing stereo, so I got a Fender Twin Reverb on one side and a Vox AC30 on another. So let's play with a clean signal. So that's our clean signal. We're going to go through some of the similar algorithms that these pedals have, like Hall, Spring, and a few other settings. And so let's go over to the Big Sky. So here's the Strymon Big Sky. Have some modulation going also. Just got a nice big reverb. Let's go to the Eventide. Turn up the mix a little bit. Now that's the Hall algorithm with a little bit of modulation. Back to the Big Sky. Go to the Eventide. And let's turn on some Overdrive from Analog Man by Prince of Tone. Prince of Tone by Analog Man. Go to the Big Sky. All right, now let's go to the plate algorithm. And we'll go over. Actually, let's go to the room. Have the reverb set really high, the mix, just to really hear what the reverb sounds like. That's the room. Let's go to the room here on the Eventide. Not very big when I set the decay all the way up. 2, 3, It only goes up to 3 seconds. So, it goes a lot longer, up to 20 seconds. All right, now let's go to plate. Let's go to plate here. All right, so this is the Big Sky in the plate mode. Let's go to the plate here on the Eventide. We're on the plate. So that is the plate. It doesn't go very big. Sort of plates are usually short, but the Eventide, the plate is very, get really spacious. Make it shorter. Eventide. It's pretty short. All right, so that's the plate. Now let's go to spring. All right, here's the spring on the Strymon. Eventide. It's not as wide because usually spring reverb's mono. And we can do tension here. EQ here, high damp, and modulation. And the Big Sky. Sort of a more modern spring reverb. So let's go over to the dual verb here on the space. We even got a little bit of a delay here. We even got a tempo here. And we can tap in our tempo. Sort of a little bit of a it's almost like a delay pedal and reverb in one. Alright, next algorithm is reverse. Which we have reflection here on the it's actually called nonlinear. You can make the mix all the way up. Let's go to Eventide. This is the Big Sky. Sounds a little bit more mono, and the Eventide has just a little bit more space to that algorithm. Let's go. This is mod echo verb. I don't know what to make of that. Let's go to the black hole. Got modulation here, got resonance, we have the high, low, pre-delay. Alright, and so let's take away some of the modulation. Alright, so let's go to the bloom. Let's go to the cloud, actually. Let's compare that low end, diffusion, some modulation.